Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. For today, we're looking at this question. It says 8 to the power of x plus 2 equals to 81. So we are going to evaluate this for us to find the solution of x. We are given 8 to the power of x plus 2 equals to 81. So here, we recall a law of indices that says when we have a to the power of x plus c is same thing as a to the power of c, a to the power of x times a to the power of c. So here we are going to express this in this format. So this will become 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of 2 equals to 81. This is the same thing as 8 to the power of x times 64 because 8 to the power of 2 equals to 64 equals to 81. So here we can divide both sides by 64 so that we'll be able to find the value of x. So this will become 8 to the power of x times 64 divided by 64 equals to 81 divided by 64. So here 64 cancel here and it cancel here. We are now left with 8 to the power of x equals to 81 all over 64. So here the next step is for us to introduce log to both sides. So this will become log 8 to the power of x equals to log 81 all over 64. So here we recall another law that says when we have log a all over b is same thing as log a minus log b. So expressing this in that format, we are going to have log 8 to the power of x equals to log 81 minus log 64. But this left hand side, we can introduce the law of logarithm that says when we have log a to the power of x is same thing as x log a. So here will become x log 8 equals to log 81 minus log 64. Here we can divide both sides by log 8. So this will become x log 8 all over log 8 equals to log 81 minus log 64 all over log 8. So in this case, log 8 will cancel here and it will cancel here. We are now left with x equals to, we can separate each of these. This will become log 81 all over log 8 minus log 64 all over log 8. 81 can be written as 9 to the power of 2 or 3 to the power of 4. And 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. And also 64 can be written as 8 to the power of 2 or we have 2 to the power of 4. So in this case, this can be written as x equals to log 3 to the power of 4 all over log 2 to the power of 3 minus, here will become log 8 to the power of 2 all over log 8. So we can come over to this other side for us to further simplify that, where we have here x equals to this. We can express this in this format. So this will become 4 log 3 all over 3 log 2. Then we have minus log 8. So we have here 2 log 8 all over log 8. Log 8 will cancel here and it cancel here. We are now left with x equals to 4 upon 3 log 3 all over log 2 minus 2. So this other side remains minus 2. We also recall another law that says when we have log a all over log b is same thing as log a base b. So expressing this in this format, we have the value of x equals to 4 over 3 log 3 base 2 minus 2. So this is the value of x that we have, and it satisfies this expression. But we can go ahead to do a little check for us to see whether when we input the value of x in this place, it will give us our right answer. Before we do that, we need to clean this for us to further simplify this. So we have here check, as we are given 8 to the power of x plus 2, will this equals to 81 when we substitute the value of x as this. So here we have 8 to the power of, in the place of x we have 4 upon 3 log 3 base 2 minus 2. So we bring down this plus 2. Well, this gives us 81. Here minus 2 will cancel plus 2. So we are now left with 8 to the power of, this can be written as log 3 to the power of 4 upon 3 base 2. Well, this gives us 81. This, we recall that when we have a to the power of log b base a, the same thing as b. So expressing the left hand side as this, this will give us 2 to the power of 3. Then we have log 3. Then we have here to the power of 4 upon 3 base 2. Well, this gives us 81. So here can be written as 2 to the power of log 3 to the power of 4 upon 3 times 3. Well, this gives us 81. So this still remains base 2. So the whole of here, expressing in this format, the whole of here will become 3 to the power of 4 upon 3 times 3. Well, this gives us 81. So here 3 will cancel here and 3 will cancel here. We are now left with 3 to the power of 4. Well, this gives us 81. We know that 3 to the power of 4, when we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So here is 9 and here is 9. So 9 times 9 become 81. So what we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, our value of x equals to 4 upon 3 log 3 base 2 minus 2 satisfy this equation. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share a video for more interesting topic. Thank you.